Welcome to today's yoga session designed to sharpen your focus, clear distractions, and boost mental clarity. In this practice, we'll gently activate your body and calm your mind through 12 powerful yoga poses that help improve concentration. Whether you're preparing for work, studies, or simply want to feel more present and focused, stay with me and allow each movement to guide your attention inward. Roll out your mat and let's begin this journey toward a focused, centered mind. 1. Mountain pose. Begin your practice standing tall, feet grounded, spine lengthened, arms relaxed beside you. Close your eyes and breathe slowly. This moment is about arriving, letting distractions fade, and mentally preparing for clarity. Feel your body align and your mind settle. 2. Tree pose. Shift your weight to one leg and place the other on your inner thigh or calf. Hands at heart center. Balance is not about stillness, it's about micro adjustments. Each adjustment is your brain learning to focus. Hold gently while breathing steadily. 3. Warrior 2. Step wide, bend your front knee, and stretch arms apart. Your gaze softens over the front hand. This pose builds endurance, strength, and mental alertness. Use your eyes as a point of concentration. Let every breath anchor your determination. 4. Eagle pose. Wrap one arm under the other and one leg over the other. It feels challenging because it is meant to sharpen awareness. Focus inward. Hold your breath calm even as your body weaves through complexity. That's where concentration grows. And 5. Standing forward bend. Fold forward, letting your head hang gently. As blood flows toward the brain, imagine it carrying clarity and stillness. Let go of mental clutter with every exhale. This pose refreshes your mind and resets your nervous system. 6. Child's pose. Kneel down, fold forward, and place your forehead on the mat. This pressure point naturally calms the mind and enhances mental focus. Here, distractions feel distant. Stay present, feel safe, breathe deeply. 7. Seated forward bend. Extend your legs forward and fold gently from the hips. This pose lengthens the back and soothes the nervous system. Imagine your thoughts stretching and aligning just like your spine. Deep breaths create space between thoughts. 8. Dolphin pose. Place forearms on the mat and lift hips upward. This inversion improves blood circulation to the brain and boosts concentration. Stay steady and powerful. Let the pose energize your mind without overthinking. 9. Lion's breath in seated pose. Kneel or sit comfortably. Inhale deeply. Then open your mouth wide, tongue out, and exhale with a ha sound. This release helps emotional tension and improves focus. It may feel silly, but freeing your mind is part of concentration. 10. Hero pose. Sit on your heels, spine tall. Bring thumb and index finger together in chin mudra. Close your eyes. Notice how stillness enhances attention. This pose trains the brain to choose one thought at a time. 11. Alternate nostril breathing. Sit comfortably, using your right thumb. Close the right nostril. Inhale through the left. Close left nostril with your ring finger. Exhale through right. Repeat. This breathwork synchronizes both brain hemispheres and is one of the most powerful yogic methods to improve concentration. 12. Corpse pose with visualization. Lie down with eyes closed. Relax every part of your body. Now visualize yourself sitting calmly in a peaceful place. Your breath slow, your mind clear. Imagine focusing effortlessly on whatever you choose your task, study, goal, or dream. Let that image stay with you as you gently open your eyes. Concentration is not built in noise, it's carved from moments of stillness and awareness like these. Practice these poses regularly and notice how your thoughts sharpen, your memory improves, and your day begins to feel more directed and purposeful. Thank you for practicing with me. If you felt even a moment of clarity today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this flow with someone who needs focus.